This ain't Georgia or Florida anymore. What you doing there, Calder?
Give me some stretches in.
Big bull, big bull. Oh, shit. Jamie's about to shoot him. Let's go. Friday, September 12th right now. We're going in, planning on being in the woods until next Saturday. About to verify bows and then get to packing in, find a spot to glass tonight. Dang, it feels good out here, boy. Never felt this on September 12th before. Way low.
Feel good there?
No.
Alright, shoot again.
I think it's that arrow.
There you go. Let's go, dude.
This elevation ain't no joke. The pack is the heaviest it's gonna be right now because all the food's in it. So as we burn through days, it'll get lighter. Oh my gosh, Eel. Bro. I think he has pooped his pants 5 times already. He is rotten on the inside.
Alright, night number 1. We just got here 5 minutes ago. Not lying. The first place we set up to glass, I put my binos on. Boom. At least a 15 to 20 elk herd. Very near where I got into them last year. I think there's somebody else in here with us though, but that's a good sign. We're all spread out over this ridge in some bad weather. Coming in that way. Boys are right over there.
Hey, how about that storm last night?
Bro, I was writing like love letters to my family.
Oh my gosh. It was bad. It was scary. I'd never seen, it was like a ghost, the clouds like coming up from the bottom of the mountain and then just wind and rain. It was rough. Shout out Durston, ex-mid pro 2P though. Worked out nice, held up. We glassed about 25 elk last night before we started setting our tents up. And we got eyes on a lot of them again this morning, but they're way across the mountain. So we're gonna watch them, keep an eye on them, see if they go to bed, make a game plan after that. Beautiful morning, cold, awesome this morning.
Tell the camera that you thought you saw 4 hunters and it was mule deer.
Yeah. Just so excited to see stuff out here. I just saw something moving. I was like, dang, there's some hunters down there. Ended up being mule deer butts that I was looking at.
I thought they were crawling.
Yeah, they were sneaking. What you doing there, Calder?
Give me some stretches in.
Let's go. deadfall. Apparently this isn't too bad though. Alright, it's 11:28 and we just spotted our second herd of this trip. I was just glassing on the top of this knob and just saw a pile of elk running across out in front of me. Big bull for this unit.
Really big.
Yeah, really nice bull.
Super nice.
In the back pushing these cows around. They dropped down into a drain. We're just trying to get eyes back on them now. See what kind of move we want to make.
Huh? Just depends on how the creek is.
Big question. What's the easiest way to get to where we're going? Answer, there is no easy way.
There is no easy way. Up the side of a mountain.
Those roads out here.
I don't want bad. In what capacity? It's like it flattens out a good bit right here. Camp there?
Yep. In there,
Oh,
You
that's already up.
you got a little, see how that goes up? We could see it up there from the top, that big peak right there. See how steep that is? It mounds up.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's a saddle that drops way in there.
Alright, Saturday, September 13th. We have done a lot of hiking today. We're down by a creek right now. Just got some good fresh mountain water. Pumped it through the filter, got the bags loaded down because we are about to go way up that way. And get on the other side of that ridge. Glass down in there tonight and camp up there. Hopefully find some bulls in there for tomorrow. So today's mostly just been hiking, getting to the spot we want to get to. Set up camp. Hopefully get eyes on one, hunt them hard tomorrow. Alright, another night of rain in the tent. We were going to try and eat together, but we're all in our separate tents. I got Pete, chicken Alfredo pasta tonight. Let's get it cooking. Water boiled, poured in, stirred, sit for 10 minutes, and we chow. We got morning number 2, just in there drinking coffee, and I was like, I think I see something over there. Done glassed up a bull.
Might be that same herd that Emmett saw yesterday at 10:30. It looks like a good bull with about 5 to 6 cows, just slowly working down.
They are, right now, where that yellow patch is and that green's right under it, they're working down. They work down into that bottom and crest this next ridge, make a play on them. We were just cleaning camp up from last night, drinking our coffee. Just happened to see them. So, keep you updated. Try and make a move on them today. Alright, we packed camp up, planning on kind of getting out of here and moving to a new area. And then Eli ended up spotting a herd, a bull, on the next mountain over. So, now we're trying to decide the biggest question every day out here. What do we do next? So we're deciding if we want to make a move on this herd or go to the destination that we set out for. We're gonna watch this bull, see what he does, and then make a game plan. Turned out to be a pretty day though. Sunshine over there. Alright, Eli, give me the rundown here. What's going on?
Dude, they're right there. We've been watching them for over an hour. Trying to decide whether to cut the distance, which I think we should, or just try to bet them down and then make a move.
So they are, there's this ridge here, and then they are that next mountain over. Tell me about it, son.
Dude, we were watching another herd,
The one we saw this morning.
and then I saw this one. And they're closer. We can make a better play on him.
We're about to drop on into that bottom.
Yeah. What if we just would have stayed put? Maybe go right around. Yeah. Jamie did say that.
Alright, so we dropped a ton of elevation trying to get in front of those that herd, thinking they worked the creek, but they ended up going up on the same spine that we're on. So wind is good right now. We're trying to figure out if they bedded down or kept moving over to the other side. About to make a move on them. We think they're somewhere on this spine. We're trying to relocate these elk. Gonna do a light bugle, see if we get them to respond. Alright, so after Calder bugled, we got a response in the direction the elk we saw headed. But we're not sure if it was that bull or another hunter. It's a bugle. We've heard 2 responsive bugles so far. Jamie and Eli hearing the same thing in the same spot, so if he's bedded down, he could just be doing some bed bugles back at us. But it's hard to say without seeing him. What's the word, bird? Tell us about that stalk.
Makes me happy knowing that's it.
We got all the way down there, just trying to ease down there, not knowing when we would get to a point where we could look over and see them. We finally got to where we knew they were. There was like a dip and then a little knob and then their bed. So we creeped up that knob and we saw one cow. The wind was kind of blowing right to left though. And so we moved more downwind and it creeped over the knob again, and they had all gotten up out of their bed and was moving with the wind in their face. So we got back behind the knob, sprinted around there, and we were kind of just even with them at that point. They were just feeding. The bull bedded back down. We were less than 100 yards away, right at 100.
Dang, less than 100. Big one.
And dude, 6x6. And then they were still going to move away from us, so I moved back way behind Jamie and did like some calf calls, and they looked, but they just kept feeding away. We jumped over the knob and tried to catch up to them again. They took off. So
We're going to keep glassing this afternoon, try and get eyes on some more.
Yep, put a big stalk on them, just couldn't make it happen. So we're going to find the next one who wants to play ball.
It's only second day though.
Yep.
I got your range, okay? I got your range. They're coming right to us. They're 90 yards away. They're dog tired. Go down and creep over. Wait. Well, that's the reason we come, because situations just like that. We've all packed up, trying to decide what to do next. I'm just looking on the next ridge, and I hear just this crashing, and this big herd, 6 or 8 cows and a big bull comes just flying down the mountain. They get in the creek where we've been looking at all morning, and then they just keep running up our ridge. So me and Calder ran down, tried to get down here in front of them, and we did. We got in a pretty good spot, but they were just moving so fast. They got to 91 yards and they were running, and we couldn't get down in front of them at that point, but that was fun.
So much fun. That was good stuff. That's why we come.
I don't know if I got any of it actually on video, but it was recording, so we'll see. But now we know there's 2 herds over this big ridge here, which is where we're probably going to be hunting tomorrow and the rest of the week. So that's a good sign. But that was fun. Going to get camp set up for the night. Whole crew coming. We're gonna glass for a little bit, cook our dinners. Been a good day.
Sir.
Whew. Heck of a day today. We got in on some real close action with 2 different bulls. We're glassing the same area we saw all these elk in today. Gonna glass tonight, camp close by, glass in the morning, then probably move to a new area if we're not having any luck there. But a lot of action today. Hopefully get back in it tomorrow. Gonna finish up glassing, go cook a hot meal, and go to sleep. Alright, Monday, September 15th. Had a heck of a day yesterday. Eli and Jamie got to put a stalk on a big bull. We glassed up another herd. They ended up running right towards us, getting within 100 yards, so a lot of action. Heard lots of bugling around us last night. Got a good feeling about today. It's cold, clear skies. It might go down today. We're going to be getting after it. Alright, we got coffee and breakfast going on at the glassing knob. Just heard a bull way out there in front of Eli. Don't know if he's huntable. We're going to keep listening to glassing. Hear him?
Straight through there.
Okay. Well, we're hearing him. You feel good?
So good. Pulling the groin. A little pull on my groin.
Alright, we all packed up from the camping spot we've been the last couple days. Eli packed up, Calder finishing up, Jamie finishing up. About to move spots to kind of the original location we wanted to get to. 2 herds have already crested this ridge and gone into that area, so should be a lot of activity in there. Gonna get set up and hunt in there this afternoon and tonight. See what happens. You ready?
Spirits are high.
Spirits are high.
A lot of action.
Oh yeah.
We're ready.
A little bit of elevation today. Nothing like we did on Saturday. Alright, we got our new camp set up here. We're about to go crest that ridge and look down into the bottom on the other side. Do some glassing for this afternoon. Alright, we're splitting up tonight. Calder and Jamie going to City Trail. Me and Eli going to City Trail. Trying to catch these elk coming down into this meadow. Let's get it done. Let's go. All set up for the night. We're sitting on a heavily used trail going down into that meadow. I'm filming. Eli's just on the other side of some of these small aspens, hoping we can catch him on the trail going to the meadow. So we'll hear him coming. I'll turn the camera on. See what happens here. It's cold this morning, Bull.
Colder than I thought it would be. Going to bed last night was a little warm.
Yeah.
It's cooled off quite a bit. I think today and tomorrow the high temps are going to be lower than they have been all week. And be cold at night. So hopefully it jump starts something.
We were packing out of this meadow today. About to have some coffee get some more water, and get going. It's right here. Bring you back to life in the morning. Oh, the aftermath.
Oh man.
What'd you do, my boy?
I had it too hot trying to video. That'll do, donkey.
Bro, what kind of F-35 jet boil do you have?
Well, I always wonder why you crank that thing up full
know.
bore.
Every
son.
day when you're bulling, I hear it just like, and your shit's boiled in like 8 seconds.
Dang, man.
I would drink that for about 3 days.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
This, folks, is about the right speed.
Somebody gotta come out here and learn.
They won't go far. I mean, we can talk. It's the middle of the day.
Oh, there's a man right there. Yeah, I can see him. Jamie's about to shoot him. Jamie's about to shoot that bull. You see him, Eli? You see the bull? He's raging. Frick, he saw us.
It's a spike.
Oh, it's a spike. They're still over there. Big was it? Not big, but I would have shot him. He went way up there. No, he's more than 20 yards. So we've got our elk within 150 probably. There we go again. Waiting on him to move.
Should we sneak up to that point first and let him rip or stay here?
I'm afraid they might bust us, dude.
I know you want to try. Look at him. Look at him. I'll do whatever you want to do. We can be patient. Patience kills. It's up to you. So we've been on this earth for about an hour and a half. Now we're trying to decide. We've heard cows, we've heard lazy bed bugling. I mean, we're right in on them. Do we just sit here and do nothing? Do we rip one in his bedroom and make him come check us out? Or do we wait till they start moseying off and cow call like a
Did you hear Calder bugling? You ain't gonna believe this. We were freaking muzzle loaders. No. As soon as he started bugling, they started creeping through the aspens towards him.
Oh, no.
I think we were on a herd originally, and they came in and scared that herd off. That's
Carlos
what.
told you about the satellite bull.
Yeah, so we saw it
Yeah,
happen.
yeah,
Oh, you can see?
yeah.
Man. Where's Calder?
Take a dump.
That's infuriating. There
He
he
started. He saw me. I saw him before he saw me. He was coming straight through here, and I saw him and waved at him. He said, he didn't have an orange vest on either.
There are no less than 50 elk beds right there.
In that flat spot.
You can smell them.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang.
Maybe more than that. I mean, that
They're all in here too.
the entire flat is just bed after bed after bed.
I want to smell it.
There's a cap skull right there too, from this year.
Oh, I mean, Jamie had a satellite bull come on. What happened?
So, I mean, we were set up good, but the wind was marginal at best. And he was about 40 yards. I needed him to clear one tree, and I had a shot, and he bolted. So I thought all that mewing was a herd in there, and he was just a satellite bull because he came downwind.
I think originally there was a herd there.
Had to have been, because we weren't calling.
Remember, it was silent for like 15 minutes. I think they had come in and spooked that herd off. And then when Calder bugled, they came in at us. That would make sense why Calder bugled, they started cow calling so much. Yeah.
That's what I told them. I said it was weird to me that when he started bugling, that the cow started mewing again and coming towards us, popping limbs, but the bull wasn't coming. That was like my first, not red flag, but like, something ain't right.
Look at it.
Made it.
Got it.
Snakes in Colorado.
I feel like this is a scene from Saving Private Ryan.
Here we are.
Sitting under a tarp.
Bad storm.
Hailstorm. Feeling lots of rain on this trip.
Alright, it's Wednesday morning. Probably the coldest morning we've had yet. Stormed all night. We woke up this morning and it's chilly. The coldest morning yet. We're going glass. This actually ended up in a really nice glassing spot to look into a lot of places we've seen elk. We'll try to put some to bed, make a mid-morning move to set up the hunt for the next 2 to 3 days. But feeling really good. I think the weather has finally moved out of here for the week. It's been tough. Just fighting lightning storms and a bunch of rain. So, like, we wouldn't mind moving in the rain, but the thunder and lightning cracking off all around us. So we're out here this morning. I'm gonna try to glass some up. I've already heard one bugle down here, so it's good.
There's a bovine back there.
see it. Look at that joker. He's trotting around like a turkey. Oh, he's up on the log. Does look like a chicken. Alright, it's day 5.5 in the backcountry. We're a little over halfway through our hunt. We're tucked in here on this ridge, pretty high up, 200 feet almost. The elk that we're trying to hunt, we've glassed in this basin right here. They're not far from us, so we found this group of pine trees to kind of shield us from them. But backcountry camp, Cribs edition. What we got our packs over here, the bow and the release close by in case one wants to cruise through here midday, which has already happened on this trip. Pro tip, I got a little handsaw to trim off all these deadfall burrs so you don't cut yourself up. But we got the Durston X Mid 2. And then I've got a Lost Nature tarp that I've been using as a ground sheet and kind of just an entryway. LEKI trekking poles holding it up. The Marmot helium bag with the Alps mountaineering. And then I got the Therm-a-Rest NeoAir Xlite pads. So this is it. Letting them all breathe right now. Letting the feet breathe. Airing out the socks. Airing out the boots. So we're kind of just chilling midday. What up, dude? What you think?
Ready to go, boy.
You ready?
Ate some Walmart mountain trail mix, I think. Every day.
Every day. What we doing?
Got some, huh?
What we doing?
Trying to glass up a big herd we saw this morning. Last night.
This morning.
Yeah. Got about 1,000 feet of gain today. A little bit more than that. Now we're on top of them.
Alright, let's start things off with, I haven't lost anything on this trip until today. 2 days left and lost my dang sunglasses. Hadn't found them yet, but we're in a primo spot, camping right by the creek. Sound cover, our thermal should be pulling down into it. We glassed a bunch of elk up in here last night. So we're down low with them, gonna try and hunt them tonight. Get up top on this ridge and try to glass them up and make a move on them down here. Let's go. Like Evan said, this spot is the best yet. We're tucked away back here in this little cove. We've got fresh water, which pulls our scent down. It provides a noise barrier, gives us fresh access. This meadow that it borders has the freshest tracks we've seen. And like Evan said, saw a big herd here last night, and just around the bend is where Jamie and I stalked up within 100 yards of that big 6x6. So it's setting up to be a good next 4 hunts. So let's go. I have a layer, just a layer of grime all over my body. Just scratch my face, just under my fingernails. It smells great.
You just ruined the scene right here.
Sitting here this morning, most likely the final morning. I've heard some bulls. I've not seen anything but mule deer. One with a GPS collar on, which was cool, but just thankful to be out here and trying to soak it all in. The weather, the views, the experience. Absolutely love coming out here every year. You know, one thing I love about Colorado is I can absolutely just sit in the dirt and not worry about ticks and chiggers and all close. I had a bull within 100 twice, 3 times, 190 and 40. Just couldn't seal the deal for one reason or the other. But it's been awesome, such a blessing. Until next year.
All right, didn't record much this morning, but we climbed above our camp, glassed a little bit, listened, heard a few distant bugles, couldn't make anything happen. So now we are headed out. Been a good time out here. Been tough, but we've been in the elk. Can't ask for much more other than killing one, so it's been fun. How does that make you feel,
Oh, pretty good.
Jamie?
Good to be back.
How's that make you feel?
We made it. This is Calder. This is me before a 9-day elk hunt. This is Calder. This is me after a really long elk hunt in 2025.
This is Eli, this is me before a 9-day elk hunt. This is Eli, and this is me after a really long, grueling, but awesome elk hunt.
Jamie, day 1 of a long elk hunt. This is Jamie at the end of the elk hunt.
This is me, this is Evan before a 9-day elk hunt. This is Evan, this is me after a really long elk hunt. Let's go back out. I'm just kidding. I'm tired. I'm tired, boss. Woo! Till next year. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the 2025 archery elk hunt video. We sure had a blast out there. We're gearing up for 2026, going back to Colorado this year. So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be posting some more whitetail and elk content leading up to this fall. If you're interested in any of the gear we use, check out the links in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment and we'll try and get back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.